Let's listen into some of those voices before we cut live to those pictures coming in.
I just feel very proud that, Indian community, the only way we can rise together यही होगा जब हम जुट के साथ एक unity के साथ रहें. And I think PM is like an elder in the family who brings everyone together. And I feel it's very important, not just for Indians, but for the world to see our true power of coming together. I just feel very proud that, Indian community, the only way we can rise together यही होगा जब हम जुट के साथ एक unity के साथ रहें. And I think PM is like an elder in the family who brings everyone together. And I feel it's very important, not just for Indians, but for the world to see our true power of coming together.
Well, there was Vikas Khanna, the celebrity chef based out of New York, hoping to see the Prime Minister up close. And now we have these pictures from earlier, Prime Minister having met the Quad leaders, both as part of the grouping, as part of the Leaders Summit, and then individually with President Biden, with Prime Minister Kishida and Prime Minister Albanese. These are pictures from Wilmington in Delaware, which is the hometown of President Biden, where the summit was hosted. President Biden's, remember, this is farewell summit, farewell meetings, because he has already passed on the baton to Kamala Harris as the Democrat candidate, and so Biden wanted it to be to give a personal touch to this summit, and that's why hosted it not in Washington D.C., not in New York, but in Wilmington, Delaware. And in fact, the summit itself was hosted at the high school where President Biden went for his schooling, and that was the Archmere Academy. In fact, just a while back, we had Jyotsna reporting for us from a bus ride, which is on way to the Long Island destination of Prime Minister Modi's diaspora address and the stadium there. She also earlier recorded one conversation for us with those members of the Indian community going to participate. Let's listen into that.
Today is the big day where the Indian diaspora is looking forward to hear from their beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. I am standing here in the Durga Mandir complex in Princeton area, and I would like to show you very excited right now. And the vibe is there are almost 7 to 8 buses going from here to the Nassau Coliseum in Long Island area. As you could see, it is early morning here and people are very, very excited. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर आप सर अपना प्लीज लेट अस नो योर नेम एंड Modi and us progress together. I see you're part of the organizing team, looks like here.
So we are here to extend a warm welcome to Prime Minister Modi ji, who is representing 1.4 billion of Indian population. So we are the Hindu American Society of Central New Jersey, based in South Brunswick. All 400 people are here. We are looking forward to extend the warm welcome, as well as elders are wanted to give him the best wishes and Ashirwad. This is the honorable day for many of us to listen to Honorable Prime Minister, and this is like the marvelous time when he's representing in Quad the India, which is a huge population, 4 major countries. Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Namaste, मेरा नाम है दीप शुक्ला. I'm the co-founder of the Hindu American Society of Central New Jersey. We are gathered today here at Durga Mandir, and we'll be headed to Modi and us event. An amazing event it's going to be, and it's our pleasure. It's our भाग्य है हमारा कि हम मोदी जी को सुनने जा रहे हैं. We're going to see him in person. Phenomenal. जो जज्बा है वो आप देख रहे हैं. People are here.
बिल्कुल, I see early morning people are ready.
सुनने जा रहे हैं, राहुल जी का टिकट बाहर करेंगे जरूर. ड्रीम मोदी जी को देखने का पूरा हो गया.
young kids also. This is the vibe here in the New Jersey area, and it will take another 1.5 hours to reach to the Long Island, to the Nassau Coliseum. I'll keep you posted as I'll talk to these people in the bus as well as I'm boarding along with them.